Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be teaching you how to create a logo using this app Logo Maker. The link to that is in the description below. Okay, so now you open your app. Once you are done, tap on the create logo. So right here our canvas is loading. So from here you tap on art. So from this section you can choose from any of these: architecture, art, birthday, businesses, cars, education, shapes, innovative idea. So for this tutorial I'll be choosing from innovative idea. So right here you can see our logo has been inserted, so we can enlarge it and also position it anywhere you like. So right now let's add a text to our logo. So type in the text you want to add to your logo and tap on add. Now let's position it right here. Okay, so now we are done. Let's add a background to our logo. Okay, so I'll be choosing this blue. Tap on this button to save. Okay, so guys, the logo has been saved to our gallery. You can share on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and the others. Thank you for watching. It's PJ. Bye.